All right, folks, so we do have the FLASHDRY Absorbent pads. Now, you may have seen some other videos showing how it absorbs the water, things like that, spillage, grease, if you're working on your car in your garage, so it'll seep through a little bit, but after a while it starts soaking up, stay in there. They're pretty thin, nice and lightweight, but it does seep in. Like I said, you'll have a spillage, especially if it's like grease or something. Like, it'll stay right on top. It'll absorb in a second, and it'll call it a day. But what you don't see also is that it is perforated to get torn into pieces that you want. So down the center, as you can see through the line here, you can cut it to size, so you can rip it apart. You can rip it apart easily within a couple seconds here. You can rip it apart and then use it for little spillages here and there. So if your son or daughter spilled a huge mess on a table or on the floor in your house or in your garage like we're in now, you can use this bigger piece and just lay it all out and let it all absorb, or you can take little pieces and let it soak up, which this is great, to have different little pieces here to absorb any liquids that may get, thrown on the floor, dropped on the floor, juices or what have you. So it's great just to have at your disposal, or, on the road, you accidentally drop some in your car or on the mat, and it seep through. At least it can absorb that wetness there. But yeah, definitely a nice little handy tool to have on the go or in your garage at home. And again, you can cut it down to size. It's easily cuttable, perforated right down the middle. That's why you see the line here. So definitely go ahead and get yours today. We'll catch you on the next one.